Hello friends, today I hope to explain you how to fix hello screen of iPhone. First of all, press in home button just like this. You can select language, you can select country, particular country. You can select it just like this. Now I hope to set up manually. If you want to do that quickly, you can do it using another iPhone. You can continue. I hope to choose a suitable hotspot just like this. I hope to use another iPhone for this by inserting a hotspot just like this. Sometimes hotspot is not detecting first time. You can repeatedly do this just like this, and you can choose another network if this doesn't work. I hope to insert and connect this iPhone to iPhone just like this. You can see it is connecting. You can see hotspot is connected. Now you can see data and privacy. You can continue. Here I hope to ignore touch ID because it is not important, because this phone is not my phone. I hope to create new passcode just like this. I hope to repeat it again just like this. Now I hope to select some data. You can link Apple ID. I hope to give my testing Apple ID just like this. This is my testing shop Apple ID. This ID is using for the iPhone fixing in my shop. I hope to type it correctly just like this. And I hope to insert password also. You can give next and you can insert password. Here I hope to insert password. You can see some message here after inserting and pressing next, some error. You can see it just like this. Sometimes this can be seen on your iPhone just like this. You can see here some username and password verification fail. It means I hope to insert my password correctly again and again. You can see wrong password. Okay, I hope to insert this new password with Apple ID. You have to wait several seconds or several minutes. You can see some code. If you previously insert and locked iPhone, you can insert and read it just like this. You can see some Apple ID and passcode here. You have to wait several seconds. It is detected. You can see some process. You have to wait several seconds. You can see terms and condition. I hope to give agree. You can see it may take several minutes. Don't worry. You have to wait several seconds or several minutes because iPhone setup process and each security process is launching here. Don't worry and don't turn off your iPhone and don't restart your iPhone and don't do anything until finishing this. You can see screen is off and you can on it using your previously inserted passcode just like this. You have to wait several seconds or minutes. You can see continue button. You can insert continue button just like this. You can press continue, or you can don't use. If you don't want to use iCloud mechanism, you can ignore it. You can get it started. You can see your iPhone is working very well and your iPhone is now unlocked. You can see some messages. You can read them carefully. You can see waiting messages on some application. You can click on them and you can download some updates. You can see here this iPhone is locked. Now hello screen is not showing. You can do anything. You can use anyway. Now I think it is fixed. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical update. Thank you very much. You can see some calls are working here. Just like this, it is working very well after unlocking your iPhone. Thanks.